Did you know coal is the largest source of energy in regards to electricity? However, that comes at a cost to the environment. So, what's an alternative to using coal as a means for energy? Hi, my name is Shahed Kamal, co-founder of SolarInstallGuru.com. In the next few minutes, I will show you how solar energy is a better, cleaner energy option to the environment versus using coal. Who knew coal has its limitations? Coal is cheap and available. However, the energy from coal releases pollutants into the atmosphere, leading to global warming. The Union of Concerned Scientists, or UCSUSA.org, states that energy from coal also causes acid rain and human diseases such as cancer from these pollutants. So, how do we combat this? We don't want to live in an environment that is unsafe for humans. The solution is solar energy. Solar energy provides a clean source of energy from the sun without harming the atmosphere or releasing pollutants. Here, let's take a look at how. The production of solar energy is a clear way to diminish our dependency on fossil fuels, which leads to lowering of emissions of harmful greenhouse gases, according to the journals of frontiersin.org. Renewable energy like solar can be deployed quickly and is becoming increasingly cost effective while at the same time reducing pollution. The National Resources Defense Council states that solar energy is a great source for clean power that can add to the nation's energy grid in place of power from fossil fuels. The environmental benefits of solar energy don't contribute to global warming. Solar energy instead helps to resolve global warming by providing clean energy, thereby bringing benefits to the environment. If you are interested in saving the planet and taking control of your energy future, visit SolarInstallGuru.com and make an appointment for a free solar energy audit today, valued at about $500. You will also find a lot of other solar-related money-saving tips in our blog and video presentations. What are you waiting for? Go to SolarInstallGuru.com right now and you will receive a free ebook, a $40 value for just visiting the site, which covers in-depth on how you can save money and save the environment in the process. You can also register for free online training courses, which covers various topics related but not limited to solar system installation with little or no out-of-pocket cost. I would like you to join us in our conversations on Twitter and Facebook. Thank you.